I mean, another one that I guess really the only one that does come to mind, you know, kind of similar to Rex's recommendation, would be Moneyball. You know, and most of you might know Moneyball as a movie because it was a great movie, you know, with Brad Pitt and all that. But the book itself is very good. The book is excellent. Actually, you know what? That might be a good recommendation too. So the book is by Michael Lewis. And I think the book Moneyball goes a lot more into it than the movie did. And on top of that, Michael Lewis is a great writer. And he writes about like business issues, not always data related, but definitely business issues. So he wrote The Quants, which if you're interested in quantitative trading, that's his book. I'm pretty sure that's his book. And then he also wrote another one, somebody can correct me, I believe it's called The Flash Traders or The Flash Boys. I think it's called The Flash Boys. Oh, and he also wrote The Big Short. The Big Short is a great book for you to read too, right? About the housing crisis, you know, the global housing crisis in 2008.